So, I can't believe we're gonna play this, right, baby Luigi Sonic? Yeah! I'm so ready. I can't wait to open this. Okay, let's open it. And the camera fell. Building montage. And it's complete! Yeah, I can't wait to play with this thing. Yeah, I don't even know what to do with these two. Here, put them in there. Okay, we got Lego Mario, and we're gonna put them up together. And then we're gonna try it. Oh, whoops. And he works. And look at this set, and I just built like a Goomba and this whatever this thing and the chain chomp. Okay, well, let's get started. Whoops. Let's try it again. Okay. And then the last one. Yeah! And now, it's time to get the coin. Yeah!